Hello friends, what we're going to do today is we are going to make a pretty cloud with rainbow or colored raindrops. Okay, so let's see the supplies that we need. We need paper, we need crayons, and we need markers. Okay, so we are not going to use the entire paper, so let's cut this in half just like we did last time. I'm sure there is somebody older than you with you right now, so maybe you can ask them to help with this, or you can ask your mom or dad to cut this in half. So I'm going to fold this like a book, and I'm going to match this side, the left side with the right. I'm going to press it down, and then I'm going to make a nice crease and then cut on the line that we made just now. Okay, so guys, do you guys remember the rainbow colors from last week? Do you, or did you guys forget all the colors by now? I'm sure you guys remember the rainbow colors. So we have the paper right now, right? So before we start drawing on the paper, let's practice drawing the thing on a whiteboard. So I have a whiteboard. If you guys have a whiteboard, you can use the whiteboard. If you don't have a whiteboard, it doesn't matter. You can take a scrap paper and then you can practice drawing the rainbow with me. Not the rainbow, the cloud and the rain with me. So let's start the lesson. So I'm going to leave only a few little space on top, maybe 3-finger space on top, and then I'm going to start with a small rainbow like line. Can you see that? I'm going to make another line like that. It's like a U, upside down U. I'm going to make another one more, maybe I'll connect it like that. So what does it look like? Did you guys say a cloud? Yes, my friend, it looks like a cloud, right? So we are going to make this cloud look nice. We are going to add eyes to it. Okay, so I'm going to draw the eyes. 2 eyes. It's like a circle. You can draw a circle within a circle or a half circle like that. And then color that in. Or let me show you another way you can draw an eye. Maybe you can draw a oval shape. What shape is this, my friend? It's like an oval shape. 2 oval shape, and then you can put a circle inside. That is another way you can draw an eye. Can I go ahead and show you another way? Okay. If you guys want, you can rewind and then watch the eyes again. Okay, in case you like a particular eye, you can go back. Maybe first you can watch all the eyes that we are trying out, and then you can rewind and then watch the eye you want to make, and then practice drawing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line like that, and can you see a U or a V like thing, and then I'm going to make a circle here. Maybe this eye we can give some eyelash. Doesn't this eye also look cute, right? So let's move on to the next one. So the next one, we're going to start with 2 lines like this. Again, we're starting with a line, and then we are going to make a rainbow like thing. You see? 2 of that, and then maybe a U, and then color inside. I like to leave like a white area without coloring in. It will look like like shine, right? Again, you can add eyelashes if you want. So just now I showed you guys maybe how many, I don't remember, a few different eyes to draw, right? Now let's see, we'll add a mouth also to cloud. So you can draw a simple mouth like this, okay? Or let me show you a mouth this way, but you can add teeth to make him look so funny, right? Or you can make the mouth this way. It's like the cloud bit into something that is very sour and then it's like that look. Or maybe you can have the mouth open like that. It's like ooh. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the tongue inside like that. 2 upside down U's, and then you can color this red. Or the next one, what should we do? We can make it like that. So I showed you guys a few ways to draw the mouth also. Now we can make 2 cheeks. Okay. So next thing that we need to do is make the raindrops. It's pretty easy to make the raindrops. You just need to make some upside down V's. Can you see? Upside down V like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make a U and connect it. Connect it with a U. We have some nice raindrops, right? So this is all that we have to draw today. So now let's take our paper. Do you want to practice some more drawing the raindrops? You guys go ahead and practice some more, and then you can pause the video, practice some more making the rainbow, and then you can decide on what eyes and mouth will look best, and then come back and then we can do the lesson together. So I'm going to take the paper. I guys hope you guys are back, and then let's make the rainbow. So I'm going to take a blue crayon, okay, and then I'm going to make the you guys are going to make the cloud with the blue crayon. Okay, so we're going to place the paper this way. Okay, we are going to put the cloud up here, and then we are going to draw the raindrops over here. So the cloud should be this big. It should be the size of your fist. Okay, when you make a fist, it should be the size of your fist. So up here, I'm going to start making the rainbow. I'm leaving only a teeny bit of space on top. I'm going to start with the upside down U or a rainbow like shape. And then I'm going to make another one. Now 2, maybe another U or upside down rainbow, or a rainbow, upside down U or a rainbow. And then I'm going to make another. Another thing. And then make one big one to connect this. So we have a nice fluffy cloud, right? So I'm just going to make it a little bit dark like that. Next, what I'm going to do is you can draw the eyes with the pencil. Though you have some practice, you can draw it with the pencil first and then take the markers and color that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make the eyes with the black marker. So where's my black marker? So I'm going to start with the eyes. You guys have chosen an eye, right? You're going to make that eye. Whichever one you liked best, you are going to make that. This is how I want the eyes. So one white spot, and then I'm going to fill it up. Let's make both the eyes the same size because one eye was looking a little bit smaller. Now I need to make the mouth. Which one should I go for? Like just a happy one or a goofy one? Maybe I'll go for a goofy one. Okay, so I have a goofy mouth. Now the cheeks, right? So for the cheeks, I'm not going to use black anymore. I'm going to use pink for the cheeks. Did I say cheese? Oh, silly me. So I'm going to make a circle on either side. Okay, and then I'm going to color that in. Okay, so now let's take the rainbow colors. Okay, so pink is not a rainbow color. I'm going to put the cap back on really well. I'm going to start with red. After red comes orange. Then we have yellow. You guys are going to tell me what color, the name of the color. What is the name of this color? Green, yes. The next one I'm going to take is blue. And what is the name of this one, my friends? It is purple, right? So what we are going to do is I have them in the rainbow order. I'm going to put this back. Now I'm going to make some nice raindrops with these colors. Okay, so you remember how we made the rainbows? We made it like upside down V. So I'm going to put maybe 3 upside down V, and then I'm going to connect it with a U. Now I'm going to fill this up with red. So maybe we are using what color, my friends? We are using red, and I colored it with the whole, we drew with red, and now I'm coloring it with red. Now I'm going to put the red away because I'm not going to, so each time you are done using, you need to hear the snap when you close this. Okay, so I'm done with red. I'm going to put that away. Now the next rainbow color is orange. I'm going to put in 2 places this time. Okay, 2 or 3, it's up to you. And I'm going to connect it with a U, and then I'm going to fill that up. Fill this up. Okay, now snap, put the cap back on and then put it back. Now the third color I'm taking is, what is this? Yellow. I'm making maybe 2 more of that. So upside down V and a U to connect, and then I'm filling that up. Now let me go and snap the thing, like snap it shut. Next color is green. So do you see I'm like spreading it out just like when we did with the hedgehogs. So the colors should be spread out like a sprinkle. Fill it in. Fill that up. Now Snap it close. Our next friend today is blue, which we are going to make upside down U. No, upside down V and a U. We have a raindrop. Fill it up. Try to stay within the lines. You're going to go slowly, not super fast. We want the things to stay within the line that we made, okay, within the fence. Stay within the fence. Put this back. Last color, purple. So watch how I'm doing it. Stay within the line, and then I'm going in one direction. Maybe here. One more. So I have enough of the raindrops. Now I'm going to put this back. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crayon. Oh, crayon is already here. I'm going to take blue. Okay, I'm going to now color the sky. So I'm going to put this on the side like this. We are not drawing with this now. We are going to color, so we can hold it to the side. I'm going to peel a little bit of the thing because it's like getting too close to the wrapping thing. Uh-oh, this broke. Okay, I could color with this. I'm going to put this. So if something like this happen, what you can do is you can take this and then take a sharpener and then sharpen it. Okay, to get a pointy thing for next time. Sometimes crayons do break because they are made with wax, right? So it doesn't matter. We can still use them. It's not like a broken marker, so I have it sharpened. So I'm not going to throw away this thing. This is a broken crayon. I'm going to put it back. I'm going to just use this and then color. So if you have a crayon that doesn't have the sleeve, the paper wrapping around it, then you can put it on the side and then color it like this. So it's actually easy to color with a crayon that doesn't have the sleeve. So I'm just going in between and then coloring. So you guys have a crayon with the sleeves, right? So let me show you the other way also. So you will be putting the crayon. So usually how do we hold a pencil or a crayon? We hold it this way, right? The tail of the tip, the tail, we can call this the tail. It should be sticking out like a pencil. When you hold a pencil, this is how you hold a pencil. That's how you should be holding the crayon. But when we are coloring the background, when we are coloring a bigger area, we want it to be nice and smooth. So you put the crayon, hold it like this, okay? Lay it on the paper like that. The tip, it's not the tip that is touching, it's the side that is touching. And then you are going to color it like that. Can you see? And see what I'm doing. Am I going this way, in all the directions? Like, no, I'm not running around here on my paper. I'm just going in the same direction. One direction, and then I'm coming back. I'm not going over the. So the trick today is you are going to pretend that this is hot lava. Okay, you should not get on the raindrops when you're coloring. So if you touch the raindrops, then you're going to get burnt. So be careful when you're coloring. So let's see how we can color this without getting burnt. Okay, you should tell me how many times you got burnt. So I'm going to try my best not to get burnt. If you get burnt, a lot of times that means you need to take some time off and then color. Maybe because you are tired, you are getting on the raindrops, which is like lava or fire where you will get burned. So I'm going to be very careful. I'm not going to try and get on the lava or the raindrops and get burned. So I'm going to be, this is a game, okay? So try to color in the same direction without getting burned. Okay. I don't want to go too close to the raindrop and get burned. Uh-oh, I got a little burned. So I'm putting all my attention on how I'm coloring this, not getting too close to the raindrops, but I don't want to see a big white area, okay? So go as close as you can and then color. So see how we did this. I went as close as I could and then I colored, and I'm done with this. So before we are done, I need to write my name in the bottom corner. My friends, do you guys know how to write your name by now? It's been some time, right? It's 3rd week. So you should be knowing how to write your name. So in case you don't, go get help. Ask somebody to write your name, okay? So I'm going to write my name. I'm going to write my grade, and I'm going to write my room number. I'm just going to pretend writing a room number. This may not be the right room number. You should be knowing your room number. So write your room number, and then we are done. So when you're done, I'll put the email ID in the back and at the end of the video. You guys are going to take a picture of your sweet looking cloud and email it to me, okay? Another thing, we are going to ask a question every week, and you guys are going to answer the question, okay? So today's question is how many colors are there in the rainbow? 1, 2. We have used maybe not how many colors in the rainbow. How many colors did we use today? So if you can sit and count the number of colors that we have used, different colors we use, count them and put the number in the along with the picture that you sent, okay? One thing to remember is usually in a rainbow we have 7 colors, okay? 7, but we are not using all the 7 colors because we don't have all the rainbow colors in this, okay? There is one color similar to blue, which is called indigo, that we haven't used. So rainbow has 7 colors, but we are using one less color. So that, what is the one less? What is one? What number comes? What do you get when you remove 1 from 7? That is your answer. So count the colors and send me your picture, the picture of your painting, and not the painting, the drawing, and the answer to the number of colors that we used. Okay, so till we meet next week, bye bye.